In Russian, it calls гигиена. Uh, how how it will be in,
Mm.
let me know.
In your opinion, when you
Hygiene,
want,
hygiene,
yeah,
hygiene, to follow hygiene.
yeah, okay. In
Mhm.
your opinion, what do you think? When everybody have a problem, everybody can be and have problem, but okay. In your opinion, if you want to solve a problem, you come just to solve it, or you want to see to know what the cause first. It is, or just for you, or just to get the solution. If there is a solution, then solve it without to know, to understand what cause of this problem, to solve it. What do you think?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's better. You are talking. Mhm. Of course, we should know, uh, but it is the task for research, medicine research, isn't it? And uh, how to find, how to make medicine to solve this problem, and
Yeah.
uh,
Be-
what might be what might be kill this virus. Maybe it is orange juice. Maybe it is some uh, compost of different medicine, maybe drugs, maybe something else. But I think, uh, as I read, it helps simple actions to wash hands, to mm, to take some, mm, how to say, oh, I know, I don't know
Mm.
what kills this virus. So how to find it? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I think well, I don't know. We will ask everybody here to share his idea with us, because in this life everybody can encounter of problems, and everybody can handle how to solve them. Yeah. So some people, yeah, if there is a problem, we just look for the solution first, to come up. There is two people who's fighting. So when I came, there's a problem. So when I came, I want just to separate them. Yeah. So that's why I'm asking, is that there is a way to look for the cause of the problem before to solve it. Yeah. Okay, let's go to Frank. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, that's good.
Hello.
Wow. How are you?
Good. How was your day?
Okay.
I am
I'm
sorry.
really good.
I am sorry today for being late. The time was at 3 o'clock, but I get late because I have
Yeah,
to.
I'll try.
Yeah.
I'll try in that time, but I couldn't.
Yes.
Sometimes
Yes.
I'm busy and
Yes.
sorry
Yes.
about it.
Yeah. Okay. Uh, today I would like to talk about decision making and the problem solving. Can you share
Okay.
about these? If there is a problem, okay, how to solve it, and if you want to make a decision.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Good. If I got a problem in my life, as you know, there is a lot of solutions, and you should try to find the best ones. And if you are in your life, as if you are reading a book or interacting with other peoples and friends and experience and listening to their problems some days, maybe you can use that solutions from you pick it up from the books or someone else someday talking about that problem is maybe the same problem or near or close to the problems of yours. You can find a good solution. As myself is when I got a problem, I just like to thinking and looking for the better and the best solutions. Depends on my experience, on my uh, other things which happened in my life before. That case I can or sometimes uh, I like to ask another ones. For example, my close friend is to find a solutions or asking them for help if I couldn't do anything about that problem. Uh, that's it. Okay.
Mhm. And okay, if there is a if they come to you to tell you there is a problem, need a solution to solve it. So what will be your first priority to do to solve a problem?
Okay. What as I told you, first of all, I depend on my thinking. I like to thinking a lot, and I like to reading books and experience it with other peoples and making friends with others. That causes the first thing I prefer to do is thinking and about that problems and explain it with myself is and discuss with my mind is about that problem is thinking about every sides of that problem uh, and finding the best way. If I can't do anything, I'll ask to another friend, is close friend, is to help or searching, maybe searching on Google's. That goes is one of the reasons I like to learn English because my native language is Kurdish and there is no any resources as much as English in Google's when I want to search about something happening. For example, for me, uh, I can search on Google's and in English. There is a lot of resources and also informations in English. If you got some problems, any problems, I mean, emotional or body or anything you want to. For example, you got some problems with some devices. You can ask anything in Google's. If you know the language, you can fix it and help yourself with your language. As you know, for example, the English is one of the best languages. If you know, it makes more easier to find the solution of your problems.
Mhm. So what do you think when there is a problem, if you come to solve it, are you is the first priority is better for you to look the cause of the problem, or you just want to you just want just to look for a solution to finish this problem, or looking for the cause of the problem
Yeah, the
before to solve
first Yeah, the first thing I think it's better to find a solution. After that, I prefer to thinking about the cause of that problem is to resist to be repeated again in your life is or again in the futures. I just like when I got some problems and I find a solution for them. After that, I'm not quit with them, and after that, I'm thinking about them a lot again to find the causes, as you said, to find the reasons of happening those problems, to resist another time is to happen it for the future. Maybe it makes you another problem is in the future if you found the reasons and you solve them. After that, it will be better.
Okay. And what about making a decision?
Okay. Making decisions, it also depend on yourself. As, for example, if you are a person's like to read a book is or finding some informations and every day you like to learning a new thing is, and you are liking to be a friend with other people, listening to them, asking for help or help them, you have a good experience to make a good decisions in your life. But we have some persons, they don't do those things. They don't like to read or to search information on Google, for example. They don't listen to another's experience about life. They don't listen to any seminars or good things. They can't do it better. When they got problems, they can't make a good decisions. Okay, if you are doing those things, your decisions are better and stronger. You are for the futures. You wouldn't regret of your decisions. But when sometimes we decide to do something, we make a decision about something. After that, we regret about those decisions that we made it. Okay, but if you are a good readers or a good friend is for others and communication with others every time and listening for their problems, you have good experience for your life too, to make a decisions. You are a mindful person in that time, as you can make your decisions in the best way, better than others, which randomly talk about everything is and randomly made the decisions in hurry. It's better, as I said.
Mhm. So to make a decision, you should listen to your followers first, or if you know that you are going to make it without listening to your follower or your brothers or someone like this.
Yeah, sometimes you need to ask other persons. For example, you don't have much information about the specific problem, because as you know, in the life is we are so we have so many things, and we get faced to so many problems. Maybe you can't do all of them and make a good decisions by yourself about all of them. Sometimes you need to others to help you. You need to asking other opinion about that thing, is that problem is, it will be great. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Alina, hello. Elena.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Good evening or good afternoon.
Hello.
It is not
Good evening.
It is not late for you. You can talk.
Okay.
Okay. Can you tell us about how to solve a problem?
I just problem. I can't speak very well, and I wanna learn. I wanna learn English, but that's a problem. I can't speak very well.
And how you speak English very good. Where are you from?
I'm from Iraq.
Italy.
Iraq.
Iraq. Okay.
Yes.
Iraq. Okay. No, you know that is so easy. You know, your English is perfect right now, because you right now you speak with me, so you can't say your English is not that good. So you should just keep speaking, and don't worry about what people are saying about you. So that's simple. You speak with me English, not in your native languages.
Yeah, I can speak, but I can't speak very well.
No, you speak very good. This is an easy problem. So if you want to solve this problem, what would you do? This is also an example for that. This is an example for problem solving. If I told you I have a problem to speak English, so I want you to help me to solve it, what is your answer to me?
Pardon?
Pardon. I said, now you told me you have a problem to speak English. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you want to solve it, what you should do?
I understand more, but I can't speak.
Yeah, okay, good, good. So now you know, if you want to solve this problem, you should look for not just look for the solution. You look for the cause. Why I can't speak English? What is the reason? You will think about, oh, the reason is I'm not practicing. I need to practice. So this is your solution now. So you understand the reason now. Now the solution. The solution is to look for someone and practice with him and speak as much as you can, like what we are doing right now.
I need learn English because every day I see people English, but I can't speak.
Mm-hmm.
I wanna better than for after.
Okay. And why do you want to speak English? Why? What is the reason?
Because I am student.
Because you are
Because
student.
I'm student.
Okay, good.
Yeah. I depart my university. That's I want because it is very important for me.
Yes. So, are you on WebTalk?
What?
Are you on WebTalk?
Web talk?
Ah.
What does mean?
Okay, good. You see, so I want to find a place. I want to solve your problem because you want to learn English. I want to bring you a place where you can learn English. WebTalk is a place where you can find teachers who will help you to learn English.
I wanna teach a best teacher for help me.
Okay,
and
good.
Every day I wanna speak with teacher.
Good, good. So now later someone here will send you a teacher, a link to join WebTalk. There is a teacher, his name is John. Okay, he's from England. Okay.
Wow, that's better for me.
Wow, and I know you love British accent.
Yeah.
Yes, I know. So you see,
Hello.
I solve your problem. Hello. Yes, Alexander.
Hello.
Ah.
Hello. How's it going?
Great.
Sorry.
Okay, no problem.
What are you talking? What are you talking about?
Okay. So now, Lily or Lina. Okay. So now, one of the people, one of them will send you a link. Okay, and show you how to join the WebTalk. Okay. So WebTalk, if you join WebTalk every single day, we have classes like this every day. Okay. And there is a teacher, his name is John. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah, so you will learn English.
Yeah.
Perfectly English, okay? And right now your English is good. Just try every day, join our classes here every day, and you will improve your English.
Yeah.
Okay?
That's better for me.
Okay. So now on Facebook,
Thanks.
on Facebook, if you can send, you have a Facebook account, right?
Okay.
Yeah, you can send me. If here maybe here someone can share a WebTalk link here for her to sign up or to send her.
Let me check it. Let me check it.
If you can send here that she can see the link and she will sign up. If you have to John or everyone. Teacher Arish, you have to say John is the link.
Hello.
No.
I think she was added by Reboir, and she is from Kurdistan. So I think it would be better if Reboir adds this person to WebTalk.
Okay. Okay. No problem. Everyone who can help her because she want to learn English. So everyone who know her can help her, you know, to get on webcam. That will be nice. Okay, thank you, Lina. So now we are looking for your solution, okay, to get a solution for you, and we get it, okay. So thank you for joining here. Okay, Alexandra.
Yeah, hello again.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Yes, great. I am just apologize for the being late. You know, when Coach Naluta started her class, just I joined it. Just someone came to visit me without calling me, telling me he's coming. Without that.
He or she?
No,
okay.
not she. No, not she. I'm looking for that, but I didn't find it. I'm still looking.
Okay.
Yeah.
Looking for what? Looking for what?
My true love is there. She's now wake up, so I have it. So I will travel to Philippines as soon as possible to find my true love. Yeah.
As soon as possible, you'd like to travel to the Philippines.
The Philippines, yes. Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
okay, what's your topic? What's
my
your topic?
is problem solving. Like this is a problem also I have. So I want to tell you how to solve a problem and how to make a decision. If there is a problem. If there is a problem.
It depends on your problem. Depends on your problem. Depends on your problem. What kind of problems do you have?
For me, I have a problem to find a girl or a lady.
A lady. Yeah. Oh, you can ask coach about this question.
Okay, that's it. It's need a private coach, yeah, maybe. she have something to tell me, but
she can help you. She can help you because
okay.
I'm not a coach. And I don't know.
Okay. Now for you, if there is a problem and people tell you to solve it, what you should do is to look for the cause, or just to look for the solution to solve the problem.
I think it depends. In my opinion, it depends on the situation, which we have, because some problems are easy to solve, some problems are difficult to solve, and exactly I don't know the answer, because as you know, for instance, if I have some difficult problems, it makes a long way to solve it. But
yeah, we can make it just as an example. You are our leader here, and we enter in a problem, and you came. So don't think about yourself now. Think about something. Just that. You come and there is a problem, and we tell you there is a problem, and there is two things. There is a solution, and there is a cause. So you should look for the cause of the problem to solve it, or for you just to look for a solution to solve it.
I think, in my opinion, our problems depend on ourselves. The solution is you. You are a solution for your problem. You should try to analyze your problem in your mind, because if you cannot analyze it, it's impossible to solve it. And for instance, lots of people have different problems. I'm not talking about myself. I'm talking about different people.
Yes.
And the main situation which we have in modern society, some people cannot realize in their own mind how to solve the problem, how to solve the own situation. And as a psychologist, I totally recommend you to analyze your own personality, how you can do that, how you can feel it in your personal life, because nobody can help you. You cannot help yourself.
Yeah, Yeah, so that is why, you know, that is why you said, so for, that's why we are looking what to do, because there is sometimes if you can to get just a solution to solve it without, you don't know the cause, maybe this problem will come back. Yeah.
Yeah, because we don't know the reason for that.
Yes.
And some people don't know it, and if they cannot understand the main solution in their own subconscious, they can't solve it.
Okay. What about making a decision when you want to make a decision? You
Decision about what?
about anything. We talk about anything, and you can even
The, okay, I see. It depends. I think you have to realize it. For instance, if you really want to make a decision, for example, to get a job, change your job, yeah, you have to analyze it. Otherwise, it will be like a long process to realize it for you, for in your personal life, because all decisions depend depend on our personality. Just remember it, and lots of psychologists tell you the same. You should try to analyze your own reason, how to make a decision, how you can feel your life, because nobody makes a decision inside of you.
Okay, good. Thank you. Among,
You're
hello,
welcome.
Anong, or you don't know how to mute your microphone is mute. Anong. We can't hear you. Let I mute you.
But cannot.
Yes,
You
yes.
cannot hear me.
Okay, we can
It's
hear.
okay right now?
Yes, it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what do you think about how to solve a problem? If they ask you there's a problem, which is the
The
first
problem
priority?
with
Yeah, which is the what is the first priority you should do to solve a problem?
about learning English, right?
Any problem, any problem. We take any problem.
Any problem?
Yeah.
Any problem right now?
Think
About
something.
coronavirus.
Okay, you can think about any problem. If there is people tell you, you are our leader, so there is a problem, and we call you, please come help us.
Yeah. About my problem, when you call me, sometimes I have to cook for my family. Sometimes I'm eating, something like that. But I would like to practice my speaking too. But my big problem about my I have just only I need to learn more vocabulary when I try to speak with each other. Sometimes I can't understand. Yeah.
Okay. So you have a problem for vocabularies, okay? And you have a problem for learning English. And now what is the solution for how to solve it for you? Example, you have this problem, how to solve it?
I just need I just need a partner to practice speaking, but I have to change I have to change some every day I have to change story to talking about, because I need to remember vocabulary, what the situation that I have to speak, I have to use it, something like that.
Yeah. So this is a solution. This is now you find that the solution but the cause of that is maybe because you are not practicing. So you should look for the cause. What cause? Why I can't speak English? Oh, why I can't improve my vocabularies? So you look for the cause, because if you find the solution just without know the cause, maybe it will come back again. So you want to find a partner, or you find this partner today, you practice with him, and after that you leave. After maybe you stay for 1 week without speaking. So that means you will again forget. So this is
Yeah, right.
for solving a problem. A problem.
That's why.
Yeah.
That's why I have to speak. I have to speak every day, but I don't know. I have to speak a lot, and then I go to the Hello app to
Sorry.
speak with a lot of people.
I'd like to say something to you about that problem.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Good.
Go ahead.
It's a problem is for many English learners about the vocabulary. We don't know much vocabulary. Even me, I'm talking about myself. I have the same problem. I can make a communication with someone, but because of have no vocabulary, just sometimes it makes me saddest. And I hear it from some good teachers like AJ Hogg, if you know him.
Yeah.
He's American teacher, great teacher. He said, yeah, if you want to enrich your vocabulary, speaking is good, but believe me, it's not about teaching you a new vocabulary each day, and you can use it for another time. Is when I'm speaking with you, maybe you are using some vocabularies I don't know about. Okay, and I forgot tomorrow or another days. I can't use it by myself. Okay, just maybe I can understand sometime. If you want to memorize the vocabulary in a natural way, you should listen to those things. For example, you should to find some English videos that you like to listen. Okay, just some textbooks or not some things you can't even understand. AJ recommend some videos or finding some English resources which you can understand 70% of that videos. After that, for example, 50 times you should to repeat the same videos, maybe for a week. After a week, it make hard for you to. Sometimes he said he's trying to learn Japanese. He said some